Bullish ramp cost forecasts range somewhere in the range of 34 cents and 65 cents by 2030. Market examiners accept ramp could reach 27 cents by 2025. Bearish ramp market cost expectation for 2023 is 6 cents. Ramp presentation. Since its send-off in 2020, Ramp has figured out how to stand out as a multi-chain loaning stage that empowers clients to expand their crypto returns. In any case, Ramp's previous exhibition has been very conflicting, with a few ups and downs. Notwithstanding that, Ramp is as yet viewed as a coin of revenue in the digital currency market, with promising future outcomes. On the off chance that you're interested about the cost of Ramp, you're perfectly located. In this article, we've summed up Ramp cost expectations, from Ramp cost today to average cost, current cost, past execution, verifiable information, least cost, normal exchanging cost, and greatest cost, as well as thinking about whether Ramp coin is supposed to be a wise venture for what's in store. For our exhaustive Ramp cost estimate, continue to peruse. What is Ramp? Ramp DeFi is a decentralized multi-tie driving stage intended to support DeFi reception. It was established by Lo Zhengrong and Lawrence Lim to boost capital proficiency on stacked advanced resources. Ramp permits non-Ethereum clients to stake coins on Ethereum stages, and Ethereum clients can likewise utilize Ramp's foundation to build their yields. Ramp enables clients to acquire yields on collateralized resources, permitting them to move coins flawlessly across different blockchain networks. The Ramp token is given as a component of the Ethereum network as an ERC20 token, opening extra liquidity, and serves numerous different capabilities on the protocol as utilized. This framework boosts capital effectiveness as well as permits clients to open liquidity from marked resources and stack various yield streams on the double. Clients who are as of now a piece of the Ethereum blockchain can mint USD at zero expenses by storing their ERC20 tokens into Ramp's liquidity pool. This framework permits both RUSD and EUSD holders to acquire, loan, or trade their tokens uninhibitedly and make liquidity for clients. Ramp specialized investigation. Ramp's creation was altogether incited by the soaring development of the marking economy. And as this development raises, the cost of Ramp coin is additionally prone to increment. Like other cryptographic forms of money, there is a restricted greatest inventory of Ramp tokens, meaning something like 1 billion tokens will at any point be made. The coin can never again be stamped, and any Ramp consumed is for all time eliminated from course. This makes Ramp DeFi invulnerable to expansion, a solid sign that Ramp's worth will probably keep on rising. A larger part of crypto lovers are likewise putting down their wagers entrance's future cost development, referring to high utility, sensible tokenomics, and significant use cases as proof that Ramp is a wise speculation. As the DeFi crypto industry extends considerably further, specialists have assessed that the cost of Ramp will probably ascend from now on, and any speculation could bring great returns. Ramp major examination. A greater part of DeFi stages are Ethereum-based, leaving out non-Ethereum clients. Ramp DeFi tends to this basic market hole. The Ramp stage is great for fighting this issue and enabling non-Ethereum clients to use the advantages of DeFi. Along these lines, Ramp harbors a novel market potential with phenomenal possibilities arriving at new highs later on. Ramp permits clients to acquire yields by cultivating or marking on their capital, collateralizing their capital, getting RUSD stablecoin, and afterward utilizing that coin to make different ventures all simultaneously. This productive framework permits clients to appreciate exceptional yields on speculation on their resources and at the same time extricate liquidity. Ramp DeFi offers a plenty of highlights, including yield-cultivating potential open doors, a cross-chain liquidity span, and marking rewards. Basically, Ramp outfits clients with an unmistakable situation to procure gigantic benefit and open liquidity, all while tending to a serious digital currency market hole. Ramp is presently worth 7 cents USD. Ramp has moved 9.86% as of now with an exchanging volume of $26,777. Ramp is presently positioned 469 among all digital forms of money with a market capitalization of $36,337,220 USD. Our cost expectation estimates utilize constant Ramp market information, and all information is refreshed live on our site. This permits us to give dynamic cost forecasts in light of current market action. Ramp Value Forecast 2023. Ramp, from certain perspectives, is one of the most astounding digital forms of money to rise this year. The Ramp cost figure for 2023 expects a huge expansion in the year's final part, potentially coming to 11 cents. Likewise with other cryptographic forms of money, the ascent will be continuous, yet no extensive drops are normal. Averaging 10 cents in cost is very aggressive, yet it is doable soon given expected joint efforts and headways. Ramp is supposed to have a base worth of 9 cents. Ramp Value Expectation 2024. Of every 2024, ramp cost expectation has a lot of space for development. Because of the expected declarations of various new organizations and drives, we guess that the cost of ramp will before long outperform 19 cents. Notwithstanding, we ought to hold back to check whether the ramp's overall strength file emerges from the oversold zone prior to putting down any bullish wagers. Taking into account the market unpredictability, ramp will exchange with a base exchanging cost of 15 cents and a typical exchanging cost of 17 cents. Ramp value expectation 2025. Assuming that the vertical pattern go on until 2025, it could reach 27 cents and ramp might benefit. In the event that the market encounters a decay, the objective may not be met. Ramp is supposed to exchange at a typical cost of 24 cents and a low of 23 cents in 2025. Ramp value expectation 2026. Assuming ramp effectively helps market feeling among digital money fans, the ramp coin cost could stay stable for the following 5 years. As per our projections, ramp will be green in 2026. The ramp is supposed to reach and outperform its unsurpassed high in 2026. In 2026, the virtual money will be valued at 34 cents, with a base cost of 30 cents and a typical cost of 32 cents. Ramp value expectation 2027. After some broad determining and specialized examination, we gauge the ramp cost is supposed to cross a normal value level of 40 cents by 2027, with a base cost of 38 cents anticipated before the year's end. Moreover, ramp has a greatest value worth of 42 cents. Ramp value expectation 2028. Because representing things to come organizations that are supposed to occur by 2028, we are expecting that a bullish pattern will keep carrying the typical cost to around 48 cents. On the off chance that ramp figures out how to break the safe level in 2028, we could see a most extreme cost of 50 cents. Neglecting to accumulate the help ramp needs by 2028 could bring about a low of 46 cents. Ramp value forecast 2029. While ramp is endeavoring towards interoperability between organizations to rush cooperation, the bullish pattern from the earlier year is supposed to proceed. So the base exchange cost has been put at 54 cents and a yearly cost close above 58 cents in 2029. Ramp value expectation 2030. By 2030, ramp will at last outperform its past ATH values and record new cost levels. The base cost could be 61 cents and possibly arrive at a most extreme value worth of 65 cents, averaging out at 63 cents. Ramp value forecast 2031. The digital currency market is known to be profoundly unpredictable, which is one of the many justifications for why cost gouging is a troublesome undertaking. Makes an honest effort to gauge future costs with accuracy. But all forecasts ought not be taken as monetary guidance, and you should DYOR. In 2031, we are anticipating that cryptographic money should have acquired reception across numerous areas. In that capacity, the most extreme ramp cost in 2031 is projected to be 75 cents in case of a bull run, with a typical value level of 72 cents. Our ramp value forecasts are planned on specialized investigation, as it were. We utilize a few specialized markers, including MACD, Fibonacci retracement, RSI, moving midpoints, and trend lines. Our conjectures utilize ongoing ramp digital money market information, permitting us to live